Hey friends, if the USB drive is not showing up on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Device Manager and in Device Manager, open it and then scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You will find a section here which says USB Root Hub. So here's what you have to do. Right click on it and select Update Drivers and update all of the Root Hub drivers one by one. Okay, once the root hub drivers are updated, the next thing that you have to do is restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart it. If this doesn't work either, it simply means that the issue is not with the drivers, but it is with the hardware itself. So you'll have to get that part checked, whether it's with the ports or the USB cable or some other hardware device. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.